So now I am on Pixel Studio. These are the two images I'm going to use. I'm going to use this image and this image. So now I'm going to select this one here. So now in order to fix tilted photos in Affinity, we're going to use the crop tool. We're going to use two methods. The first one is by using a horizontal reference for example the ground, or for example the horizon. And for the second image, we're going to use the vertical reference, which is the object here, to fix it. So now let's go back to the first one. So now let's select the crop tool. So now I'm going to keep the unconstrained. So for the grid, I'm going to keep the first grid. I'm going to keep the settings as they are. So now I'm just going to click on straighten on this icon here. I'm going to click on it. And I'm just going to trace a line here on the reference I want to use. On the horizontal reference I want to use, that should be straight. So for example, I'm going to select from here, left click, drag. So I'm just going to keep this distance here, and then I'm just going to release it. Will fix it. So here it is. So now you can, for example, still increase the crop, decrease it, or change the settings. I'm just going to Control Z to undo. So now it will fix it just as it is, and now I'm just going to press enter. So here it is, and now if I select the navigator, I'm going to zoom in. So I'm going to bring the original image so we can see the before and after. So now this is the image we just cropped, we just fixed the tilt, and now this is the image, original image. So here it is. So here's the before and here's the after. So now let's go to the second image of the phone. So now just as before, I'm going to select the crop tool. I'm going to keep the settings just as they are. And then I'm just going to select the strengthen icon here. I'm just going to click on it. And this time I'm just going to, for example, I'm just going to zoom in. I'm going to select, for example, the vertical reference. So this object here, for example, it should be straight. This line here, the phone, I'm just going to click and then drag. And then I'm just going to release. So here it is. And now if I zoom out from the navigator, so here it is. If you don't like, for example, the effect, if I increase here, just Control Z to undo. So here it is. So now let's go back. I'm just going to zoom in to the navigator, click on straighten. And then let's do it again. So here it is. And now let's go back to the navigator and then zoom out. So for this one, we just use the vertical reference to straighten this image to fix the tilt, and then just press enter. So here it is. And now I'm just going to bring the original image so we can see the before and after. So now this is the image. We just use the crop tool to fix the tilt. And this is the before. So this is the before. So here it is. And this is the after. So I'm just going to leave it here.